Uh-oh. We haven't played with him on the counter in a long time. We used to have when he was little, we had him on the counter. I had no place to cook. I was like getting tired. I was like, I had to go over there to cook. Oh! Wow, Herbie. Oops, where'd it go? Boy, I keep thinking his vision isn't all that sharp. He just doesn't want to work that hard. He almost lost it, huh? Uh-oh. Mommy's gonna get it. Ready? Ready? Whoops. Whoa. He sees it this time. There you go. I want you to catch it and fly off the top. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, it's lost it that time. I like being like